Welcome students. Let us continue with the next topic, that is uses of alloys. And what are alloys? So we all know that metals often are used in the form of alloys. And what are alloys? Alloys are actually the homogeneous mixture of two or more metals or a metal and a non-metal. So alloy is not actually a pure metal, it is actually a mixture of two or more metals or a metal and a non-metal. And this is done in order to alter the properties of metals. And the alloys, they are generally stronger, harder and more resistant to corrosion as compared to the metal from which it is made. So because the alloys make the metal stronger, harder and more resistant to corrosion, we prefer alloys in many things. Now let us know some of the alloys and their composition and their uses. First is steel. Steel is made from iron and carbon, and it is used in construction material and machine parts. Stainless steel, you all know cooking utensils are mostly made up of stainless steel. It is the combination of iron, chromium and nickel, and used in cooking utensils and cutlery and surgical implements. Brass contains copper and zinc, used in cooking utensils, decorative statues, nuts and bolts. Bronze, mixture of copper and tin, used in cooking utensils, coins, medals, statues, decorative items. Next is German silver. It is made from copper, zinc and nickel and is used for making tableware. Duralumin. It is the combination of aluminium, copper, magnesium and manganese and is used in aircraft bodies, automobile parts and undersea vessels. Alnico, a combination of aluminium, nickel and cobalt and is used for making magnets. Gun metals contain copper, tin and zinc and is used in making gun barrels. So these are the uses of alloys. Now let us see some of the uses of non-metals. Nitrogen is used as a fertilizer. Phosphorus used in matchbox industries and fertilizers. Iodine is used as an antiseptic. Sulfur, a non-metal, is used for making firecrackers, gunpowder and sulfuric acid. You all know oxygen is very essential for survival of all living beings, so it is used for respiration. Diamond, a form of carbon, is used for making jewelry and in cutting glass and for grinding of tools. Then graphite, a form of carbon, is used in batteries and in pencils. So student, this was all about the chapter. So revise the chapter and learn keywords. Thank you.